2017 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: Bose sound system, all-wheel drive, traction control, universal garage door opener, fog lamps, daytime running lamps, remote keyless entry, seats heated driver and front passenger, tire pressure monitoring system, rear spoiler. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.